Hi, welcome back. So we got our rear quarter panel welded on. I'm waiting on abrasives. I ran out of them pretty quick. There's a lot of welding to clean up. And I just can't stop worrying about how I'm going to get this door to work. So all of a sudden that's what I'm doing. And our problem is this thing was hit really hard here, and that's why there was so much damage in the rear quarter panel. But there's this big gap, and it goes all the way back here. And I don't want that gap. I want this door to close, and I want it to look just like this one does, nice and flush. Yeah, get a new door, great. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to try and make this one work. I've got kind of a crazy idea. What I'm thinking about doing is taking the grinder and cutting, because this is where it's all bad, right here. I'm thinking about cutting this seam up to about right here, and then all the way across the bottom, and just make a gap, and then pinch this back together and weld it. That's what I'm thinking. Might be able to weld it here and use the porta power and push on the top corner of the door. The glass is already broken, because I don't want to go through the trouble of like taking it out. This turned out pretty good. What do we do? We're gonna do something, that's for sure. I wish I had like a concrete wall I could go off. Try and push this in off of the wall with the porta power. Let's see what this does. Well, that was easier than cutting it. You'd think I'd just buy nicer cars. It's never been the case. I'm just curious. I don't want to do this, but I'm gonna. Where is that thing? This is a bad idea, but I'm gonna do it. I'm not trying to build a show car here. See how nice and flush all that is? This needs to go in, and this needs to come out. Cars are so fun until they're not. Window works. It's like 2 layers of glass. Let's see if we can break it. It's already broken. I just put all the tools away because that's what I do. Man, that brown is ugly. What were they thinking? Oh, I'm procrastinating. I'm cutting this. I'm gonna cut this and see if it draws that in. And I'm not gonna cut it here. I'm gonna cut it right here. Relieve a little bit of pressure. I'm even gonna wear earplugs because it's gonna be loud. What's the worst that can happen? Ruin a door that's already ruined? Nope. Look at that. He thinks it's time for dinner. But I know you already ate. I'm gonna throw some tacks on here and see what it looks like. Way too hot. Look at that. It worked. Now I just got a whole bunch of welding to do, but shouldn't be too bad. It makes sense if I hook that other welder up. But I'm going to just turn this down a little bit more. Turn my wire speed down. See if we can get this to work. This is some very thin metal. It is not easy to weld. Awesome. Very awesome. Thanks for watching.